We are going to use the following dimensions. These coordinates are the endpoints of the bigger domain, which are the bounds of the flow. We are going to use these coordinates. These will remain the same. We will have say 91 or say 100 points along the x direction. We'll have the empty boundary condition along y, and along this we'll have say 60 partitions. We'll have simple gridding here, and then we'll use SnappyHexMesh to create the mesh around this. For the boundary condition, we'll have these patches. All of them are of type patch. Once this is done, then we can block mesh and see if we have what we need. So there was some error. Let's see what is the error. So these are not the boundary, these are patches. Once this is done, let's see what we have now.